Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to easily increase or decrease the text size on your iPhone. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy, just go to settings and scroll down and go to control center, and here again scroll down and we have here text size. I hope you see it, and just hit the plus sign, and now the text size will appear here and also in the top bar here. And now from here you can easily increase or decrease the text size. Also you can choose this feature for settings only or for all apps. Now let's increase and let's go back, and this is how it looks now, the settings. You can read easily. Let's go to the WhatsApp, and this is how it looks. And let's decrease now the text size. Let's go down and let's go back to WhatsApp, and this is how it looks now. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.